Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on Incognito browsing on Chrome. The first thing, just click on the Chrome app, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You can see a new Incognito tab, so you tap on it, and once you've gone Incognito, which means that others who use your device won't see your activity, so you can browse more privately. This won't change how data is collected by websites that you visit and services that they use, including Google. Downloads, bookmarks, and reading list items will be saved. Chrome won't save your browsing history. It will save your cookies and site data and information entered in forms. Your activity may still be visible to websites that you visit, your employer or school, or your internet service provider. So that's it. And this also helps to block third-party cookies. When Incognito browsing is on, sites can't use cookies that track you across the internet, across the web. Features on some sites may break. This setting is controlled in cookie settings. So that's it. You've gone Incognito. Now, when anything you browse now will not be recorded. No browser history for this. Then you can do something about the settings. You can allow third-party cookies here. You can block third-party cookies, and you can on Incognito mode, or you can block it totally. You can even add a site exception if you want. And that's it. That is how to turn on Incognito browsing in Google Chrome. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more.